Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This is going to be just a styling video on these micro braids with the weave I have in the back, my clip-ins. I'm just going to be showing you some styles that I did with the hairstyle in. And I'm low-key obsessed. This is me just doing my edges. I did use the gummy edge wax plus the extreme hold. I'll link both of those down below. I just wanted to see how it would work, and it's actually pretty nice and it doesn't really flake, so I'll leave that down below in the description box. So I'm going to be showing you the different hairstyles that I did with this hairstyle, and yeah, just keep on watching. So the first style is just going to be a middle part down the middle. You can always have it to the side. That's how I wear it most of the time. But the first style is just going to be a middle part. The second style is going to be like one of those claw clamp looks. So I basically just took the front of my hair, the braids, some of the braids, and just tied it up in the back. And then I did like a half up, half down number. And then I just put the top portion of my hair into one of those claw clamped and like flipped my hair up. So this is going to be another half up, half down number with just the two little pieces up at the front. Honestly, the rest of this is very much just self-explanatory, but you can also do like a bun style. Somebody had asked me if you do have leave out in the back so that you can put it up all the way into the bun. For this specific time, I did not have leave out on the back, so I wasn't able to put my hair completely all the way up. Also, I do have leave out currently for this style, so you can't see the clip-ins and the knotless, like where they start and stop and everything, just because I have leave out in the middle of that. Now right here, this is just going to be like a reference of how I wake up in the morning, just refresh my style. I literally just separate the front knotless braids from the back clip-ins. And sometimes I do a little twist on my hair just so that they can mimic the curl pattern of the clip-ins. But I just literally use like water spray bottle and just spray my hair just to refresh it. You can also use mousse or gel, and I just refresh the curls and maybe brush them a little bit, and that's about it. Sometimes I take the clip-ins out at night, but sometimes I just leave them in completely. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.